Letter M. Ask. Milk. Monkey. Mirror. Mountain. Map. Motorcycle. Jack and Jill.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Up got Jack and home did trot as fast as he could caper. He went to bed and bound his head with vinegar and brown paper. With vinegar and brown paper.
Up and down. Put a tick next to the object that is up. My school.
Let me show you around my school. Oh, there is our school bus. School bus. School bus. This is my school. There are a gym, an art room, a music room, a science room, a nurse's office, a cafeteria, and many classrooms. School. School. We have PE class in the gym. 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 We have art class in the art room. Art room. Art room. We have music class in the music room. Music room. Music room. We have science class in the science room. Science room. Science room. When you feel sick, you can rest in the nurse's office. Nurse's office. Nurse's office. We have lunch in the cafeteria. 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 This is our classroom. We study together here. There are a blackboard, chalks, desks, chairs, and a bulletin board. Classroom.
This is my school. My school name is blank. I love my school. introduction to the number. I went to a farm one day. I heard 4 cows say moo moo. 4. Trace over the dotted number with your finger or crayon. This is my classroom. The teacher should show different things seen in the classroom. Teach the children that they must take care of their things and not to destroy or damage things. Take 5 to 10 popsicle sticks and dip them in yellow color paste. Stick them on a paper with the help of a glue to make yellow chicks. Use colored paper to draw wings, foot and hair of the chicks. Use googly eyes to make the eyes of chicks. Three magical words. 3 little words that should be heard are please, thank you and sorry at school and play. At home every day.
Want a cookie? Just say please. Just say
Please.
Just say
Please.
If you want a cookie, just say please. Use the magic word.
May I have a cookie, please?
Sure. And if you get a cookie, say thank you. Say,
Thank you.
say.
Thank you.
If you get a cookie, say thank you. Use the magic words. And if you make someone cry, say, I'm sorry. Say,
I'm sorry.
say.
I'm sorry.
If you make someone cry, say, I'm sorry. Use the magic words.
I'm sorry. That's okay.
Oh, be polite, use magic words. Magic.
The car is near the house. Near. The car is far from the house. Far. Letter V. Vegetables. Violin. Best. Volcano. Van. Vase. teacher. She is a teacher. Teacher teaches us and educates us. We must respect our teachers